Hi guys, welcome back to Avengers of Nathan and Ethan. Today I'm doing an experiment with dry ice. Dry ice is a solid form of carbon dioxide. Dry ice have a lower temperature than water ice. Ice burns your hands if you touch it. Regular ice freezes, make your hand cold, so it's different than the regular ice. Now, putting two colors in here and here. So first I'm going to choose red. Next I'm going to choose the next color. So I'm going to choose the yellow. Next I'm putting the dry ice. Oh! Next I'm putting the dry ice. So here's the sound it would make. I'm pressing this key. That sounds well. Oh, this dry ice breaks so easily. Put it here. You hear the sound? It vibrates on the metal. So now I'm going to put it in here. Whoa! That's one up. That's it. If you like it, the red looks like a tomato. Cause look, this here it have a little hole in here. That's a good like. Hear that clear sound? Dry ice was making smoke. Now I'm going to use it to make bubbles. I'm adding Dawn soap. Red, look, it's red. Oh, the yellow just start bubbling too. Oh, you see the bottom? That makes the bubbles. I'm gonna turn it. Getting higher and higher. What dry ice can do is blow the balloon up. Tie the balloon and trap the gas inside. Watch the balloon blow up. This is not a regular balloon. It's a small water balloon. you try this experiment, like and subscribe. Bye.